Hello, welcome to Littler House. Today we are talking about pattern pieces for a shirt pattern. So this is just a basic t-shirt pattern that we're going to look at, and it comes with 3 pattern pieces that might look a bit funny as they're sort of interesting shapes that maybe not quite so clear how they go together. So I'm going to show you how each piece correlates with each other in the making of this shirt. So when we're considering our pieces, we have a front and back bodice piece, we have a sleeve, and we have a neckband. And those are the 3 pieces that are going to be put together to make the shirt. So starting with the front and back bodice, this will actually be 2 separate pieces, usually a back and a front. They'll be cut on a fold so that you will get one solid piece for the front and then the other for the back. The neckline of these pieces form the neck of your shirt here, and they will be finished off neatly by a neckband that you'll sew on here to finish it. Moving on from the neck, we have the shoulder seams, which hook the back and the front bodice pieces to each other. And that seam will be on top of your shoulder there. Next, we have the armhole, which when connected to the sleeve will form a seam here. The side seams come down the side of the shirt on both sides, again connecting the front and back bodice pieces together. And then the bottom hem here is the bit that goes around your waist or your hips, depending on the length of your shirt. Now, when looking at the sleeve, the first thing you do for a sleeve is sew these 2 edges together, and that will form this tube with that seam here on the bottom. From there, you'll have this edge, which will be in a circle. It circles around the back side, and that corresponds with this edge here and hooks in to the armhole there to form this seam. This underarm seam that we drew here goes here on our shirt. And finally, the opening where your arm comes out is there and corresponds here. So I hope that helps make it a little bit clearer where all these pieces line up in order to make your shirt.